From the side, the Panda's impossibly thin silhouette redefines what a car can be: elegance measured in millimeters. A minimalist grille precisely cut. The Panda breathes elegance instead of air. Blade-thin LED eyes, sharp enough to slice through the dark. Even the mirrors follow the philosophy. Aerodynamic, sleek, and barely there. Handles that disappear until called upon. Seamless design in motion. Glass flows effortlessly into the frame. No interruptions, just continuity. Low, clean, and precise. The side skirt channels both wind and style. Wheels built for efficiency and beauty, wrapped in aerodynamic covers. A perfectly curved arch, framing the future of motion. Power entry hidden in plain sight because every detail counts. Subtle vents that hint at speed without saying a word. One razor-thin light bar. Futuristic minimalism at the rear. The Panda name resting proudly on a pearl-white canvas. Smooth, understated, yet it defines the car's final impression. A continuous sweep of glass and steel opening the cabin to the sky. Inside the Panda, minimalism meets mastery. Every line, every surface, perfectly considered. From the driver's seat, the future feels within reach, wrapped in pearl-white luxury. A display that speaks in light and clarity. Your command center for the road ahead. A wheel that feels as good as it looks, sculpted for control, dressed in elegance. One touch, infinite possibilities. The console is both control hub and art piece. Changing gears reimagined, precision in the palm of your hand. Air shaped with purpose, vents that blend form and function seamlessly. With a press, the world above is yours. Control the light, command the sky. Pearl-white craftsmanship stitched with precision for comfort that lasts. Support for your head, a statement for your senses, adorned with the Panda crest. Even the rear seats are first class, space, comfort, and subtle refinement.